What's up, everybody? It's your favorite Jeep YouTube guy, Joe, Just Jeep It, coming to you from the Jersey Turnpike. Heading out to Brick Township, New Jersey to pick up an XJ. Yep, you heard that right, folks. I got a tow dolly behind me. We're getting ready to roll. We're getting ready to get off 195 East and Facebook Marketplace score. So we're going to check it out, see if it's a good deal or not. Come along. So I rented myself a tow dolly from U-Haul today, and figured no better way to spend the afternoon than heading about 2 hours away from home to go pick up a 2000 Jeep Cherokee. From all the pictures, been talking to the lady for the last couple days. I think I've asked all the good questions. Seems pretty legit. Only time will tell. She said it was her grandfather's Jeep, and he was a big Jeep guy, so she seems like she's pretty happy for this thing to go to a guy who appreciates Jeep, so we'll see. Says it needs an alternator. Okay. Don't think that's a big deal. It starts up, runs, I can drive it up onto the ramp. It didn't look like there was any rust. It's from the Jersey Shore area, so from the pictures, I didn't see any body rust, so it's not like it's from like upstate New York where you know the thing is trashed. But we'll get under it with a good flashlight and a screwdriver and just do a quick check. But the price was right, and daughter needs a car. She's in her second year of college coming up, and she's going to have some classes that require her to take some. She's doing teaching as her major, and you got some internships and things like that you got to drive to. So. Going to add another Jeep to the family. So next time you see me, I should be pulling up to this lady's house, and I'm excited to see it. It's a really good color. It's a 2000. It's a moss green something or other, and the paint looks like it's in pretty decent shape. So, all right, got another 41 minutes to go. Got my coffee. Not Dunkin'. That's okay. All right, there she is on the Jersey Turnpike right now. 2000 XJ is looking great. Met two of the nicest people I've ever met. I mean, the guys helped me out, get this thing loaded, changed the battery with me. And it's really, really nice, folks. Guys, I really appreciate you selling this to me. I'm gonna take really good care of it. Man, it's freezing out here, but we're almost done. Just had to stop and use the restroom. Ooh, I'm freezing, but love that color. Oh, so beautiful. There's the tow beast. This thing is doing great. U-Haul, fantastic job. XJ, loving it. All right, I'm going in. It's cold. See y'all later. There's more video coming tomorrow, but I'm done for now. All right, let's roll. See ya. Woo! All right, it's the next day. Daylight. Get to take a look at it a little bit closer. And man, I'm telling you, this is a really good find. So got it off the dolly and put it in the driveway, and just a couple things. So the alternator is frozen. Oh, I got the hood latch to work. Just everything just needs a little WD-40. So the alternator was frozen. So took the alternator out, and we'll go get a new one of those bad boys. And battery box was a little broken, so I'm just getting a list together of parts to pick up at the U-Pull. All plastic stuff. The air box was broken, not a big deal. This O2 sensor was a little melted, the O2 sensor connector, so just pull one off a 2000 or 2001, just get a new connector. Power steering, pulley, the tensioner, little bolt broke. Again, just things freeze up. So we'll go grab another one of those real quick. Easy stuff, like super light duty stuff. Was able to lube up the hood latches. I think I might get another one of these. Just drill out those rivets and just screw it in, or just re-rivet it. But put a little grease on those, or a little WD-40, and now closes. Look at that. I also took care of the door handles. They were kind of, you know, they just wear down. So look at that. Closes real nice now. Opens real nice. But look at this thing. It's clean. Got some stuff back here. So really happy to see that the back pan, it's all solid. Look at that, it's just gorgeous. It's all solid, man, no rust. There's a little, you can't see it, there's no light. There's a little rust spot down there, but my 99 had that too. So typical for that to get rusted down there. I might fix it, I might not, I don't know. Maybe I just put some, sorry for the wind, guys. It's super cold out here too, but it's clean. And I'll do my usual restoration on the inside. Floor pans are good, except for the passenger side, but that's pretty typical too, right? The old telltale 2-click Jeep, right? You can see that, and it's just hollowed out from years of love and affection. You know, getting in, getting out, no big deal. But it's solid. So I think what I'm going to do is throw a good muffler on there real quick, just to get it running without all the noise. I don't mind it, but I know my neighbors will, so we don't want to make the neighbors mad. But really, all of the things so far, and I've been deep into this for like an hour or two. The only things that I really look like that need to be replaced are just things that just got frozen, got a little old. There's no major like, oh my God, the transfer case is shot, or like, oh, it has piston slap. It's a Jeep, man. It just does its thing. You just need to replace a couple plastic boxes, some bolts, and that's it. I like the way this thing stands too. I mean, hell, I even think the leaf springs look pretty good. I might just leave them for a year or two. But look at it. It's beautiful. Man, they really did it right when they made this design. Closes nice. The hatch works. I mean, look at this. The hatch works. I put a tag on it just so my neighbors think that it's registered. I don't need to get a call from the HOA. You got an unregistered car in your driveway. No kidding, dude. It's a Jeep. Half of these things aren't registered. Give me a break. But that's it. It's beautiful. It really, really is a nice Jeep. So what I intend to do with this is go through it from top to bottom, and I'm going to take videos along the way. I don't have a name for it yet, but I'm going to call it Project Something Restoration. So you'll come along with me on this journey to get this thing back to its former glory from year 2000. Oh, it's a 1990, it's a 2000, but it was made in, let's see, 12 of 99. So that'll be important for when we're ordering parts. And I think exhaust is important too. But we're going to restore this thing. And I'll tell you what, I like the way it stands. The tires are good. Really, really happy with this. Again, the folks that sold it to me, super, super nice. Guys, if you're watching, you know, it's going to be a really fun project. It's going to be a lot of fun to get this thing back up to speed. And yeah, so I'm going to come up with a name, and we'll catch you on the next video. But this will be Jeep number 1, 2, 3, 4 in the family. Daughter's going to take the other one to college in the summer, so I have a couple months to get this one up and running. She might want this one, she might want the purple one, I don't know, but anyway, it's a Jeep, and it barely has any miles on it, 190 some odd thousand miles on it. It's nothing. That purple Jeep has 345,000, 348. So, all right, I'm done. I'm going to get coffee. Take care of yourselves, take care of your Jeeps, and we're going to catch you on the next video with this brand new project. Later.